The flood hit in September 2013. It was a Friday. It was devastating. We managed to get the cars out. That was about it. I'm Mark Brothe, an automotive instructor at Ames Community College. I called work. Everybody was very supportive of us and the family and everything. We got a ton of support from the community and especially Ames. United Way was down at Island Grove. It was a community project where you could just go to one place. You could find out how to defer your property tax for a year, find out about insurance, find out about FEMA. All kinds of things were down there at Island Grove at the time. And United Way had a hand in all of that stuff. Ames, we got support in people kept coming out. They would email us, they would call us, wanting to know how to help. People from the Human Resources Department came in and they helped us muck out the crawl space. There was 6 inches of just muck down in there. We had people tearing out drywall, pulling up floors. I couldn't believe how much time and effort they were putting into it. It was great, it really was. This one woman advised us on some things. Her husband was a painter, and you know, to put kills down so that it would kind of mitigate the smells and the seepage of the flood waters. And she works at Ames. There's so many people that, you know, if they couldn't come out and help themselves, they donated money that, you know, translated to gift cards. With getting 4 feet of water, we lost all of our food, everything else, so those gift cards really helped us out. The continued support of my co-workers and everybody else has just been phenomenal. People coming out, helping rebuild, helping clean out the garage, that big, huge mess that was the garage. You'd have to see it to believe it. It was just one of those experiences. It was so strange. I'm going to look back on that and just, it's going to feel unreal. And now we're just about done.